Hey guys, it's Mike Field with Field Realty, and today we are in front of 31 Nob Hill, and this is in Loudonville. North Colonie Schools. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath cape. It's got new everything: kitchen, bathrooms, roof, siding, windows. But enough about talking about it. I want to show you through right now. Let's take a tour. Thanks for joining us. If you would like your own private tour, give us a call today at 518-669-1804 so we can give you the home field advantage.